Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a color split pour using white and a nice dark deep blue. I was hoping to give off some fun ocean vibes using a lot of different blues and a little bit of yellow at the bottom and some gold. So here we go. It was at this point that I realized my negative space here didn't match up, so I scraped some of that blue, put a little more white down, and blew some colors over there as well. Here it is, finished wet. This color was supposed to be opaque, but I had to go back and brush the edges because you can clearly see some canvas poking through. But a couple layers of paint on that fixed it. And this is the finished result dried. So that blue dried really nice and deep and dark. And I love how the yellow creates some green in there, so it's not all just monochromatic blue. Thanks, guys!